where the moss keeps flowing free, near Leeuwen's quiet scenery. Once the earth was shaped by hand, gravel carved this peaceful land. Years have passed, the waters stayed, nature slowly reclaimed the place. Morning light begins to glow across the lake where soft winds blow. Golden colors touch the shore, birdsong echoes evermore. Willows gently greet the breeze, ripples dance beneath the trees. Every sunrise paints a new reflection, shining fresh with dew. Welcome to die Sneppen shore, die Sneppen shore, where earth and water meet once more. From gravel dreams to nature's grace, life returned to fill this place. Welcome to die Sneppen shore, die Sneppen shore. Silence tells a story old, more precious now than grains of gold. Herons glide through open skies, morning mist begins to rise. Peace is written in the blue, every day feels fresh and new. Dragonflies in emerald flight sparkle in the morning light. Graves disappear beneath the waves, finding treasures nature gave. Swans drift slowly, calm and free, floating like a gentle dream. Every season leaves its sign, changing softly over time. Part of Stadsweide, standing proud, far beyond the city's crowd. Welcome to die Sneppen shore, die Sneppen shore, where earth and water meet once more. From gravel dreams to nature's grace, life returned to fill this place. Welcome to die Sneppen shore, die Sneppen shore. The moss still shapes the land each year, bringing wildlife ever near. Wildflowers bloom beside the reeds, life grows strong from tiny seeds. Every feather, every tree shares a quiet harmony. Listen to the water sing, welcome every newborn spring. Clouds reflected crystal clear, moments you can truly hear. Nature heals with every dawn, long after the past has gone. What was once a working land now is shaped by nature's hand. Welcome to the changing view, everything feels born anew. Linger where the river turns, feel the way the soft light burns. Welcome to die Sneppen shore, die Sneppen shore, where earth and water meet once more. From gravel dreams to nature's grace, life returned to fill this place. Welcome to die Sneppen shore, die Sneppen shore. Underneath the Limburg sky, birds still soar and spirits fly. Morning light and waters blue keep the heart of die Sneppen true. As the river finds its way, nature greets another day. From gravel past a peaceful view, lives the soul of die Sneppen too. Listen close, the day goes on, every dusk and every dawn. Roots return and reeds grow high, turning memory into sky. We watch the land become a song, slowly, softly, all along. Stone to seed and dust to bloom, life found room inside the room. Where the water kissed the shore, something old became once more. nature lives here evermore. Welcome to the Sneppen shore, the Sneppen shore, the Sneppen shore, where earth and water meet once more, meet once more. From gravel dreams to nature's grace, life returned to fill this place. Welcome to the Sneppen shore, the Sneppen shore, the Sneppen shore, a place reborn beside the moss, where every season gently lasts. Morning light and waters blue keep the heart of the Sneppen true. As the river finds its way, nature greets another day. From gravel paths to peaceful view lives the soul of the Sneppen too. Welcome to the Sneppen shore.